Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making rum cake with butter rum glaze, so let's get started. Here I have some sugar and some butter, and I'm just going to mix that until it's light and fluffy. Next I'm adding my vegetable oil. Then I'll be adding 4 eggs, one at a time. Now I'll be adding milk. Here I'm adding some vanilla, then I'll be adding dark rum. Do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. Now I'll be adding some cake flour, baking powder, salt, and vanilla pudding mix. And I'm just going to mix that all together. So I already greased and floured my pan, and I'm just going to add some chopped pecans and some sliced almond. Then I'll be adding the cake mixture, and I'll be baking this for 50 minutes at 350 degrees. Now I'm working on my butter glaze, which is just butter, sugar, dark rum, a bit of water, and you can also add vanilla to this as well. And it's going to cook this for 3 minutes. Once the cake is done, I'm just going to poke a few holes, and I'm just going to pour the glaze on top and let it sit for 10 minutes. Or you can do this overnight. Now I'm just going to sprinkle some powdered sugar, and that is it. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. See you next time. Take care.